Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decipher corporate filings. Today, we're diving into an 8K report from Candel Therapeutics, and trust me, this one might just give you some hope, not just for the company, but maybe, just maybe, for the future of cancer treatment. It involves pancreatic cancer, so maybe it's a little too serious to joke. Let's jump into the details. The report is dated February 25, 2025, and it's all about some promising results from a clinical trial. Candel Therapeutics is the name of the game. They are a biotech company focusing on developing oncolytic viral immunotherapies. Think of it like training your immune system to fight cancer using viruses. Okay, let's talk about the heart of this 8K report. Candel Therapeutics is announcing some positive results from their Phase 2 clinical trial, a study to see if their drug CAN-2409 works on non-metastatic pancreatic cancer that hasn't spread. This wasn't just any study, it was a randomized controlled trial. That means patients were randomly assigned to either receive CAN-2409 plus standard treatment or just the standard treatment. This helps to really see if the drug is making a difference. So what did they find? The headline is that they observed prolonged and sustained survival. Specifically, the estimated median overall survival, which means half lived longer and half lived less, after they joined the trial was 31.4 months in the CAN-2409 group. That's compared to only 12.5 months in the control group, the people who only got the standard treatment. That is a significant jump. We're talking about people living more than twice as long on average. Now, even after the cancer started getting worse, the patients who received CAN-2409 lived for a median of 21.2 months, compared to just 7.2 months in the control group. Again, a significant improvement. Here's another detail: 3 out of the 7 patients who got CAN-2409 were still alive when they looked at the data. They had been living for 66 months, 63.6 months, and 35.8 months, respectively, after enrollment. One of the 3 had stage IV metastatic disease detected during surgery, which makes it even more impressive that they are still alive. In the standard of care group, only 1 out of 6 patients was alive at the data cutoff. Looking back, a previous look at the data from this trial showed that after 2 years, 71.4% of the patients treated with CAN-2409 were still alive, compared to 16.7% in the control group. But this isn't just about survival numbers. The researchers also looked at what was happening inside the patients' bodies. They found that CAN-2409, along with chemotherapy, caused dense collections of immune cells to gather in the tumor microenvironment. These immune cells were like soldiers ready to attack the cancer cells. They also found higher levels of certain chemicals, like granzymes B and H, in the blood of patients treated with CAN-2409. These chemicals are signs that the immune system is revved up and fighting the tumor. Safety is always a concern with new treatments. The good news is that CAN-2409 seemed to be well tolerated. There were no dose-limiting toxicities, meaning no side effects that were so bad that the patients had to stop taking the drug. There also weren't any cases of pancreatitis, which is inflammation of the pancreas, an important detail given that this treatment is for pancreatic cancer. So let's zoom out and look at what this news might mean for Candel Therapeutics. Positive results like these could be huge for a company like Candel. If CAN-2409 continues to show promise in later stage trials, it could become a valuable treatment option for pancreatic cancer. Now, what about potential downsides? Biotech is a risky sector. Clinical trials can fail even after promising early results. It takes a lot of money to bring a drug to market, and there's no guarantee of success. We can't say for sure if Candel can get the needed approvals or funding for future trials. Alright, here's my take. Candel Therapeutics has some interesting technology. Their approach of using viruses to stimulate the immune system against cancer is novel and has shown promise in this trial. If they can keep producing positive data, that means there could be a chance for better treatments. But it's important to understand that drug development is not easy. Candel still needs to go through larger, more complex clinical trials. They have to prove CAN-2409 is safe and effective for a larger group of patients. If it all goes well, they need to work with regulators to get the drug approved. There is a huge need for new and better treatments. If CAN-2409 continues to work, it could make a difference in the fight against cancer. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment below. Let me know what other corporate filings you'd like me to decode.